Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before we continue, like us or like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says, solve for x in x to the power of 5 plus x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 plus x equals to minus 1. So we are going to find the value of x in this equation. So we have the solution. So we are given x to the power of 5 plus x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 plus x equals to minus 1. So what we are going to do first step is for us to transpose minus 1 to this left hand side. So this will become x to the power of 5 plus x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 plus x plus 1 equals to 0. We can see that we have x to the power of 4 here is a factor between x to the power of 4 and x to the power of 5. We also have x to the power of 2 here is a factor between x to the power of 2 and x to the power of 3. And we also have 1 here is a factor between 1 and x. So we are going to factor it out. So now this will become x to the power of 4 into x plus 1. Then for here, this is x to the power of 2. Then plus x to the power of 2 into x plus 1. Then we have here, this is plus 1 into x plus 1 equals to 0. So we can see that we have x plus 1 in each of these parentheses. So it's common, we can factor it out. So this will become x plus 1 into x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 plus 1 all equals to 0. If we have something like we have 1 minus 1 is same thing as 0. Also have x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 2 equals to 0. So adding 0 here is not bad. We want to introduce x to the power of 2 inside this parenthesis so that we can find it easy to evaluate. So this will become x plus 1 into x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2 plus 1 plus x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 2 all equals to 0. We just bring in this into this parenthesis. So here we can simplify this as x plus 1 into x to the power of 4 plus x to the power of 2. So here will be x to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 2 is going to give us 2x to the power of 2. Then we have plus 1 minus x to the power of 2 equals to 0. We can see that here we can, when we have x to the power of 4 is the same thing as x to the power of 2 all to the power of 2. We can substitute that in this place. So this will become x plus 1 into x to the power of 2 all to the power of 2 plus x to the power of 2 plus 2x to the power of 2 plus 1 minus x to the power of 2 all equals to 0. So here you can look at this closely. It's same thing as having x to the power of 2 plus 1 all to the power of 2. If we expand this, x to the power of 2 plus 1 into x to the power of 2 plus 1, it will give you this. That is what I mean. So now we are going to substitute this in this equation. So it will become x plus 1 into x to the power of 2 plus 1 all to the power of 2 because we are representing this to this place. Then we have minus x to the power of 2 all equals to 0. Look at this. If we say let the whole of here equals to a and here become b, we recall that the equation that we had a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is same thing as a plus b into a minus b. A to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2. This is our a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2. This is what we have. So what we have here, we are going to represent this in this format. So if we have this as this, then representing this in this format, this will become, we bring in this, we have x plus 1 into representing this in this format. So it will become x to the power of 2 plus 1 as our a. Then we bring in plus b. Our b is x. So we say plus x. This for the first one, which is this one. Then the second one will be into, we have our a, which is x to the power of 2 plus 1. Then we bring in our b, which is minus x, all equals to 0. We can rewrite this. So rewriting that, we need to clean this. So this will become, we have x plus 1, we have into x to the power of 2 plus 1 plus x. Then we have into x to the power of 2 plus 1 minus x, all equals to 0. You can see this, we have 3 parentheses. It means that it is either the first one equals to 0, or the second one equals to 0, or the third one equals to 0. We are going to take it one after the other. So we say for x plus 1, this place, so we have x plus 1 equals to 0. We will transpose 1 into this other side. Therefore, x will be equals to minus 1. This is for the first one. Then for the second one, we say for x to the power of 2 plus 1 plus x. Then here, what we are going to do is for us to rearrange this. Rearranging this will give us x to the power of 2 plus x plus 1 equals to 0. We can look at this. This is a quadratic equation. And what we are going to do is to find the value of x through application of quadratic formula. Then we say using quadratic formula, then it will be x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2. So in this case, we have our value of a equals to 1. Then our value of b equals to 1. Then our value of c equals to 1. Substituting this parameter into the quadratic formula, we have x equals to minus b, which is 1, plus or minus square root of 1 to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times 1 all over 2 times 1. So this will become, we have minus 1 plus or minus, we have 1 to the power of 2 is 1. So we have root 1 minus 4 all over 2. Therefore, our x equals to, this is minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 is minus 3 all over 2. So this is the same thing as having minus 1, we have plus or minus square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. So in this case, our value of x equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 3i all over 2. Because square root of minus 1 is iota. So it is I. So we have two solutions in this solution. We have x as plus or minus. We are going to expatiate that during our illustration of our solution. So here, we are going to take the third one, which is x to the power of 2 plus 1 minus x equals to 0. As we said, for the third one, we say for x to the power of 2 plus 1 minus x. Here, this will become x to the power of 2 minus x plus 1 equals to 0. Because we rearrange this and this turned out to become a quadratic equation. And we are going to use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of x in this equation. So we say using quadratic formula, then we have x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, we have our value of a equals to 1. Then our value of b equals to 1. Equals to, our value of b equals to minus 1. Then our value of c equals to 1. Substituting this parameter into the quadratic formula, we have x equals to minus 1 is minus into minus 1 plus or minus square root of our b squared will be minus 1 all to the power of 2 minus 4 times 1 times 1 all over 2 times 1. So in this case, our value of x will be equal to minus times minus 1 will become 1. Then plus or minus, we have minus 1 to the power of 2 is, we have 1 minus 4 times 1 is 4, all over 2 times 1, which is 2. So in this case, this will give us 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4 will give us minus 3, all over 2. Therefore, x equals to 1 plus or minus, we have minus square root of 3 times square root of minus 1, all over 2. So this is the same thing as 1 plus or minus square root of 3i all over 2. So this is the value of x in the third part of the parenthesis. We have 1 plus or minus square root of 3i all over 2. So we have this. So we are going to illustrate the whole of the solution of x in one place for us to understand. So we need to clean this for us to illustrate our solution. Then the first one, we have x1 equals to, this is minus 1. Then we have x2. From x2, from this solution here, we have minus 1 plus, we take the positive side first, root 3i all over 2. Then we have x3. See from here, we have minus 1 minus root 3i all over 2. Then from here, we take x4, which is equals to 1 plus root 3i all over 2. Then we take x5, which is equals to, from here, 1 minus root 3i all over 2. So these are the solution of x that we've gotten, that we are given from the question. If you like what we are doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment, and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.